Hello students! In this video, we're going on an exciting adventure to explore the wonderful world of pronouns. Let's explore together. Pronouns are special words that help us avoid repetition and improve our sentences. Let's dive into the different types of pronouns together. First is the personal pronoun. This type of pronoun are simple words that replace proper nouns. They help us talk about ourselves and others without repeating names. Common examples are you, I, he, she, and it. They are divided into two categories. Subjective case. These pronouns act as the subject in a sentence. Examples are you, I, he, she, it, and they. Objective case. These pronouns act as the object in a sentence. Examples are her, him, me, and us. Example through sentence. Amy took all the books she wanted from the shelf. Here, she comes under the subjective case. Then, relative pronoun. This type of pronoun links different parts of a sentence like who, that, whom, whose, and which. Example through sentence. The project which Amanda submitted was beautiful. Here, the word which helps link the clauses. Next, reflexive pronoun. This type of pronoun reflects a noun or pronoun in a sentence like yourself, myself, herself, and themselves. Example through sentence. The students challenged themselves with difficult questions. Here, themselves reflects the actions of students. Another is intensive pronoun. This type of pronoun emphasizes another noun. They often end in self or selves like myself, herself, and himself. Example through sentence. She herself solved the challenging puzzles. Here, the word herself adds emphasis. Then we have demonstrative pronouns. This type of pronoun helps us show or identify something like this, that, these, and those. Example through sentence. These are the brownies I baked. Here, these points to specific brownies. Next is the indefinite pronoun. This type of pronoun refers to non-specific things or persons like something, anyone, everyone, and nowhere. Example through sentence. I have looked for your wallet everywhere. This doesn't specify who exactly is looking for a wallet. Another is the distributive pronoun. This type of pronoun refers to a group of individuals or objects like each, everyone, and neither. Example through sentence. Neither Alex nor you can go outside. Here, neither refers to no one. Then we have possessive pronouns. This type of pronoun shows ownership like mine, yours, and theirs. Example through sentence. Everyone should bring their own dishes to the potluck. Here, own shows who it belongs to. Next is interrogative pronouns. This type of pronoun is used to ask questions like who, which, and what. Example through sentence. Who was here before? Here, who asks for information. Last is the reciprocal pronoun. This type of pronoun expresses a mutual relationship. The two are each other and one another. The two are each other and one another. Example through sentence. They are not talking to each other. Here, each indicates a relationship. Now, let's look into the order of pronouns. First off, when you're talking about yourself and someone else, always put yourself last. Like, instead of saying, me and you should go to the movies, you'd say, you and I should go to the movies. Another is that when you're using a bunch of pronouns together, there's a specific order. You go with you first, then he or she, and finally, I. So, it would be like, you, her, and I are going to the party. Don't forget a specific rule of pronoun that your pronoun should always match the word it's replacing. Like, if you're talking about a girl, you wouldn't say, he went to the store. You need to use she because you're talking about a girl. Now it's your turn to answer. What type of pronoun is used to show ownership? Share your answers in the comments. The complete curriculum for Class 9 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.